What's up, Beam Team? Today is a good day. Today we picked up my car from getting the wheels powder coated. It was a long process. I dropped my car off last week, Wednesday, and just now got it back. Today is Friday, the next week. Man, and when I tell you guys, I love this look. I really love this look. It plays off of my interior perfectly. I got my spacers for it too. I need to get the spacers on to get that nice, better fitment. But guys, it looks amazing. Let me show you guys. So as you guys can see, I got them powder coated gloss black. The powder calipers are orange. It plays off of my secure orange interior. Here's the rear. No tire shine. It looks dry right now. You guys know if there's no tire shine, the car is not clean. That's my model. But guys, look at this. This looks beautiful. This is the vision that I had. Sooner or later, I might have more of my carbon fiber. I got my diffuser. I'm gonna probably put it on in this video, but here's the new look, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. No tire shine now. I might lower it in the future. I don't know yet, but as you guys see the orange a little bit better now to play off of the calipers. But let me know what you guys think, Beam Team. Oh yeah. What's up, Beam Team? We're back again later in the day. Later today, got home, went to go get my diffuser. We're gonna install it on the F80. It's about to give it a much more aggressive look, play off the rims, go into the back. I need to get my spacers going. I need to get them. I really do, because as you guys can see, that fitment is not there. I want it to be, flush with it. We also got our gloss black push start button from Keys Motorsports, because just to give it a little pizzazz on the inside. But just installing new balls on the F80, giving it a better look. So stay tuned. We're about to put this on right now. All right, so I just took out the two screws over here. It's like a bunch of tabs holding it up here. So I pull it over here, take it off. Pop out all the tabs, and then boom, out with the old. We got the other diffuser over there. I might need to take out those bolts over there to be able to secure the new diffuser, because it goes down all the way over there. But just took out, it looked like it was, for me, I had 6mm bolts. I don't think that the 6mm is from factory, but I think I was missing some bolts, so the previous one I put it there. But that's what we're going with. So now we're about to grab the new diffuser. First, I need to clean down here, actually. Make sure, because I'm going to put a little bit of double-sided tape to make sure that the fitment is A1. And then we'll get going. All right, guys, we're test fitting the diffuser right now. And, man, when I tell you, I am more than happy that it looks this nice. So I'm about to put double-sided tape over here to make sure it stays on right. I got the bolts right here, the 8mm. It was 3 that I had to take out. There's a few more holes over here. I'm sure that's to make it fit better. They're probably self-tapping screws, because it did come with self-tapping screws, but it goes well, fits flush with my tips. My tips poke out a teeny bit, which is exactly what I wanted. But yeah, let me put this on, and I'm gonna keep you guys along the process. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I forgot to mention, this diffuser is from RW Carbon. Their diffuser, their 3D style diffuser, it looks so good. Let me get the light for you guys. It goes all the way around. I might record for you guys the next day. You guys probably will get a clip the next day, so you guys can see it out in the light. But look at how mean it looks. Look at this angle with the white and the carbon. Man, this looks so mean. You guys can see the weave, the fins. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comment section below. We also got the start stop that I'm about to put in right now. You guys can see mine is a little worn. So I'm gonna put the new one in. Keys Motorsports gives you a little keychain. They also give you like a little double-sided tape to like put it on and pull it off. So I'm gonna try that right now, see how easy it is. I'll give you guys. So update, the double-sided tape method did not work at all. So I had to go on YouTube, watch a quick video how to pop it out. So I took all like pushed all the 8 tabs that are around it, pushed the 2 tabs in the middle of this white thing to pop out the old push to start. As you guys can see, it's a little worn. And we got the new Keys Motorsports glossy one to pop it right in the middle. Looks way better. All right, let me put this in here right now. All right, so we're all good to go. The gloss matches over here, and it just makes it look that much better in the interior. The small things do matter. Hey guys, we're back the next day. I'm looking at the M, and man, oh man. Let me give you guys a look in the day. That diffuser fits it so well. It looks so good. Man, I had to show you guys in the next day. Now that I see it all together with the tips, I love the tips. I might want to get the competition badge. I saw my boy F80 Ho do that on his F80, and it made me want to do it. Just to show that it's a competition. I don't know why F80s didn't come with the competition badge, because I know the G80s do, but it looks great, guys. Here was a little video on me installing some new mods under my car. I hope you guys enjoyed this full video. We got some more stuff on the way. We got some more installs on the way. If you guys like my content, please subscribe, leave a like, and put in the whatever comments you got below. I also slapped some tire shine on there last night to get the full picture, because you guys can see the orange, black, and the tire. Oh man, it just looks so good. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys the front view before we head out. And yes, it's a little windy, so ignore that. But here we go, guys. Monte Carlo is all covered up. I was thinking about driving it today, but it's a little too cold, so we'll hold off on that. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Beans and we out.